Here's another method for making zippers, which involves folding the zipper fabric ends. When working with zipper number 5, we add about 2.2 centimeters of the fabric at the ends, and for zipper number 3, we will add only about 1.7 centimeters. Cut all the teeth up to the marked point. Install the stoppers as usual. From the front side, fold the fabric back tightly to the stopper's edge, as closely as possible. As you can see, the fold angles slightly downward at the end. Then, fold the back fabric forward, overlapping the first folded edge slightly. This fold must be very tight and clean, in case if it folded at the same level, the edge will be too thick. But also if you leave it too far away from first folding edge, the total zipper length may be too long, which may not fit your specific leather area. Cut off the excess fabric and melt the edge with a lighter, pressing immediately to secure it.